You look completely terrified and sweating heavily today, Brian.
The big boss asked me a question and I froze.
Did your brain completely shut down in the meeting?
Yes, my mind went totally blank like an empty screen.
Speaking English to your boss causes terrible workplace anxiety.
I felt like a foolish child in front of everyone.
Today, we will cure your office anxiety in 1 week.
Please teach me the 5-step corporate survival roadmap.
The first step is writing a smart pre-meeting script.
Should I write a very long, beautiful essay, Sarah?
No, memorizing long speeches makes your anxiety much worse.
What happens when I forget one single difficult word?
Your entire presentation completely collapses and you panic immediately.
So what should I write on my meeting paper?
Only write 3 very short, simple bullet points.
Just 3 main points for the whole big meeting?
Yes, bullet points guide your brain without heavy pressure.
I can look down and easily remember the topic.
Exactly. It acts like a safe map for your mind.
This simple trick takes away my terrible speaking fear.
Preparation is the ultimate secret to confident corporate communication.
I will prepare 3 points before every single meeting.
Now, we must learn to handle sudden, unexpected questions.
Sudden questions always give me a terrible heart attack.
Step 2 is learning to buy time in the office.
But the boss wants an instant answer right now.
Nobody expects an instant answer for complex business data.
I usually just stare in absolute awkward, terrified silence.
Awkward silence makes you look very unprepared and unprofessional.
What magic phrase saves me from the terrifying silence?
Say, that is a great question. Let me double check.
Let me double check the exact data on that.
Yes, it shows you are careful and very responsible.
It gives my brain 10 seconds to breathe calmly.
Or say, let me get back to you this afternoon.
So I do not have to answer immediately today?
Exactly. Delaying the answer is a powerful executive strategy.
I feel like a smart manager using these phrases.
Let us discover the secret formula for speaking clearly.
I'm ready to stop rambling and talking too much.
Step 3 is the famous professional business speaking formula.
I always talk in circles when I'm nervous.
Rambling makes the busy boss lose focus and patience.
How do I speak directly, straight to the point?
You must use the simple 4-letter PREP formula.
What does the word prep actually stand for, Sarah?
Point, reason, example, and then point one more time.
Point, reason, example, and point is the whole secret?
Yes, it organizes your messy thoughts into a straight line.
So I state my main idea right at the beginning.
Yes, do not make the boss wait for the answer.
Then I give a logical reason for my new idea.
And then you provide a clear, real-life example.
This structure sounds incredibly powerful and very easy to follow.
We will practice building a prep sentence together now.
I'm excited to build my first professional sentence.
Let us practice the prep formula for a budget meeting.
The boss asked if we should hire more staff.
Start with your point to answer him very directly.
I believe we should definitely hire 2 more people.
Excellent. Now give him the logical reason for that.
Because our current team is working too much overtime.
Perfect. Now support it with a strong, clear example.
For example, Brian worked all weekend to finish the project.
Great job. Now end it with the final point again.
Therefore, hiring staff will increase our total office productivity.
You just sounded like a senior executive business director.
The prep formula completely stopped my nervous rambling habit.
It forces your brain to stay on the main track.
I will use this for every single office presentation.
Now, we must learn how to actively listen to the boss.
Listening actively is step 4 on our survival roadmap.
Step 4 is the powerful skill of active listening.
I always listen quietly when the big boss speaks.
Quiet listening makes the boss think you are daydreaming.
Oh no, I do not want to look lazy.
You must verbally confirm you understand his important instructions.
How do I verbally confirm without interrupting him rudely?
You simply repeat his main point back to him.
Repeating his words makes me sound like a parrot.
Not repeating exactly, you must paraphrase the core idea.
Give me a professional phrase to paraphrase the boss.
Say, so if I understand correctly, you want me.
So, if I understand correctly, you want me to...
Yes, then you finish the sentence with his task.
This proves I am paying 100% attention.
Let us discover the daily secret to building confidence.
I am ready for the final step 5 today.
Step 5 is the 5-minute daily self-audit.
Self-audit sounds like a scary accounting tax test.
No, it is a fun reflection exercise for yourself.
What exactly must I do for 5 minutes daily?
Stand in front of your mirror at home alone.
And stare at my own tired face after work?
Replay one workplace conversation entirely in English out loud.
Even if I spoke my native language at work?
Yes, pretend you had the exact conversation in English.
This builds my natural speaking reflexes without any pressure.
Exactly. The mirror never judges your bad grammar mistakes.
I can practice my prep formula and active listening.
Consistency is the key to transforming your office anxiety.
5 minutes daily will completely change my corporate life.
We must address the deepest psychological fear you have.
My deepest fear is looking foolish to the boss.
The boss is just a regular human being, Brian.
But he controls my salary and my whole career.
This power dynamic causes your brain to freeze completely.
I feel like a tiny mouse facing a lion.
You must shift your professional mindset starting right now.
How do I stop seeing him as a lion?
Remember, he hired you because of your valuable skills.
He needs my skills to make the company successful.
Exactly. You are a partner solving business problems together.
A partner, not a terrified servant waiting for orders.
When you speak English, focus on delivering the solution.
Not on achieving perfect grammar to impress the boss.
Perfect grammar does not solve complex corporate business problems.
Clear, confident ideas are what the company truly values.
Let us review this incredible 5-step confidence roadmap.
I want to see how far I've come.
You are fully equipped to survive any office meeting.
Step 1 is writing short bullet points for safety.
Step 2 is buying time when questions surprise you.
Let me double-check that data for you, sir.
Excellent. You sounded completely calm and in total control.
It bought me precious time to find the papers.
Now use the PREP formula to explain the problem.
Point, reason, example, and final point to finish strongly.
It structures your corporate answer perfectly without any rambling.
I feel like a confident professional business consultant now.
Let us set up the active listening simulation next.
I am ready to face the virtual boss again.
We will practice the terrifying boss meeting right now.
I am pretending to sit in the big boardroom.
I will ask you an unexpected, difficult financial question.
And I must use the professional time-buying phrase.
Yes, do not let your brain freeze in panic.
I will not use any weird, awkward animal noises.
Why did our quarterly budget drop so low suddenly?
That is a great question. Let me double-check.
Excellent. You sounded completely calm and in total control.
It bought me precious time to find the papers.
Now use the PREP formula to explain the problem.
Point, reason, example, and final point to finish strongly.
It structures your corporate answer perfectly without any rambling.
I feel like a confident professional business consultant now.
Let us set up the active listening simulation next.
I am ready to face the virtual boss again.
We will practice the terrifying boss meeting right now.
I am pretending to sit in the big boardroom.
I will ask you an unexpected, difficult financial question.
And I must use the professional time-buying phrase.
Yes, do not let your brain freeze in panic.
I will not use any weird, awkward animal noises.
Why did our quarterly budget drop so low suddenly?
That is a great question. Let me double-check.
Excellent. You sounded completely calm and in total control.
It bought me precious time to find the papers.
Now use the PREP formula to explain the problem.
Point, reason, example, and final point to finish strongly.
It structures your corporate answer perfectly without any rambling.
I feel like a confident professional business consultant now.
Let us set up the active listening simulation next.
I am ready to face the virtual boss again.
I will give you a very complex project instruction.
And I must paraphrase the core idea back smoothly.
Yes, use the professional phrase to confirm my words.
I must completely finish this massive report by Friday?
Speak your active listening confirmation phrase to me now.
So, if I understand correctly, you want this Friday.
Perfect. It shows you are engaged and highly responsible.
And it prevents terrible miscommunication mistakes in the office.
Miscommunication costs the big company a lot of money.
I am protecting the company with my English skills.
That is the exact partner mindset you must build.
The mirror practice will make these reflexes completely automatic.
5 minutes daily turns corporate fear into executive confidence.
I am fully prepared for the interactive speaking section.
Let us invite the audience to speak with us.
It is time to break the fourth wall together.
Now it is your turn to practice speaking bravely.
You must speak out loud to the screen today.
I am your serious boss asking an unexpected question.
Buy time to double-check the data right now.
Speak now. That is a great question. Let me
Excellent. Now I will give you a complex order.
paraphrase it using the active listening confirmation phrase now.
Speak now. So, if I understand correctly, you want this.
Perfect. Now prepare to give your opinion clearly today.
Use the famous PREP formula to state your point.
Speak now. My main point is we should hire.
Great job. You handled the intense corporate pressure perfectly.
You are a fearless, confident executive communicator right now.
Let us review the most important corporate survival vocabulary.
Master these words to dominate your next office meeting.
I am ready to review the vocabulary flashcards now.
Let us review today's most important corporate survival vocabulary.
Bullet points are short, simple notes for easy remembering.
Buying time means delaying an answer professionally and calmly.
PREP formula is a structured way to speak clearly.
Active listening means repeating information to confirm total understanding.
Self-audit is reviewing your own performance for improvement.
Rambling, it means talking in long, confusing circles without focus.
Partner mindset means viewing yourself as a valuable equal.
Keep these powerful phrases in your digital office notebook.
I will never freeze in front of the boss.
You can handle any corporate meeting with absolute confidence.
Because my skills are highly valuable to the company.
Thank you for studying these advanced corporate skills today.
We will see you in our next great adventure.
Speak proudly and confidently without any fear, my friends.
Let us lock in your daily English learning commitment.
Let us professionally summarize the psychology of corporate communication.
The fear of speaking to the boss is universal.
It comes from an unbalanced, toxic psychological power dynamic.
We feel like helpless students taking a strict test.
But the 5-step roadmap shifts that mental balance.
Preparation and structure replace nervous rambling and total panic.
Active listening transforms you from a servant to a partner.
The boss values clear solutions over perfect grammatical sentences.
Your voice is a powerful tool for business success.
Now we are ready for the final call to action.
If you are committed to making this 15-minute plan,
A part of your life, show your amazing energy.
show your energy by smashing that like button now.
Be a hero for a friend by sharing this.
Sharing this video with someone you know is
Too busy to study English properly in their life.
and to lock in your commitment to this challenge,
Subscribe and smash that notification bell right now, today.